Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to try something new. I'm going to screencastify my reading a digital book and hope that works. Okay, so let's see. This story is called Put Me in the Zoo by Robert Lopshire. That's our title page and our dedication page. Table of contents. I will go into the zoo. I want to see it. Yes, I do. I would like to live this way. This is where I want to stay. Will you keep me in the zoo? I want to stay in here with you. Do you think they'll let him stay there? Let's see. We do not want you in the zoo. Out you go. Out, out with you. Oh, that doesn't sound very friendly. And he doesn't look very happy either. Oh boy. Why did they put me out this way? I should be in. I want to stay. He looks very angry, banging on his knee like that. Why should they put you in the zoo? What good are you? What can you do? What good am I? What can I do? Now here is one thing I can do. Look, now all his spots are blue. And now his spots are orange. Say, he looks very good that way. Now look at this. What do you see? Green spots, as green can be. Violet spots, say, you are good. Do more, we wish you would. I can do more. Look, this is new. Blue, orange, green, and violet too. Oh, they would put me in the zoo if they could see what I can do. I can put my spots up on this ball. And I can put them on a wall. I can put them on a cat. And I can put them on a hat. I can put them on the zoo. And I can put my spots on you. Look at this now. 1, 2, 3. I can put them on a tree. And now when I say 1, 2, 3, where do you think they'll go? Let's see. All my spots are back on me. Look now, here is one thing more. I take my spots, I make them 4. Oh, they would put me in the zoo if they could see what I can do. I take my spots, I take them all, and I can make them very small. And now you see I take them all, and I can make them very tall. That's right, good rhyming, guys. And when I want to have more fun, I take my spots and make them 1. Yes, they should put me in the zoo, the things my spots and I can do. See, I can put them in a box. I can take them out and they look like socks. And I can put them way up high. Up, up they go. I make them fly. I put them high up in the air. My spots fly here, my spots fly there. I call them back now, 1, 2, 3. Now all my spots are back with me. Tell me now, you two, do you like the things I do? Tell me now, you two, will they put me in the zoo? We like all the things you do. We like your spots. We like you too. But you should not be in the zoo. No, you should not be in the zoo. With all the things that you can do, the circus is the place for you. Yes, this is where I want to be. The circus is the place for me. The end. Thanks, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed. What's special talent that you can do at the zoo or anywhere that would make you special? What's some talent you might have? Tell me all about it.